clarify what the term, what the clients were sentenced, client and her husband were sentenced to.
Carla was sentenced to 29 years to life, which means that 29 years from her capture, she will be eligible for her first parole hearing. Unlike most cases, these cases get no good time, work time credits. So we hear about half time or what have you. That doesn't happen here. So it will be, I think they were captured in 2012. So it'll be 29 years from 2012, which is quite a long time from now. Usually the parole board doesn't consider a grant of parole the first time you come up for it. There's some guys that never get it. So they usually kick it out at least 5 years the first time you come up. As a practical matter, she will be in her 60s or 70s before any realistic opportunity for parole is out there.
Is that fair?
That's a very complex question. It's our view that she was not the killer. The jury had a different perspective on that. It was our view that her husband did it and that she was intimidated during the relationship. The jury did not agree with that. If the jury's evaluation is correct, which we disagree with, how many times can I say that? Then I think it would be a fair sentence. In this case, what happened was the husband early on started cooperating with the prosecution, and as a result, the prosecution did not file one of the charges against the husband that was filed against my client, and that accounts for the disparity in the sentence.
Now, obviously, you were not pleased that she was convicted of second-degree murder, but what is your thoughts on the sentence today?
I would have given concurrent time, which would have changed the outcome by about 4 years. But given what the jury said, the judge did what is otherwise appropriate. We disagree with the jury.
Why do you think that the jury thought she was the main person doing these?
There was a lot of evidence on both sides, and the evidence of character assassination that came in against my client was overwhelming. Most of it came from people that were not there for the most part. They saw her 3 or 4 times over the course of 4 years. And of course it was cherry picked. The people that were putting on the evidence weren't putting it on for all the good times. We tried to put on some of that. The jury didn't buy into it. You know, somebody smarter than me once said that it takes a lifetime to build a good reputation and about 10 seconds to destroy it. And that's true.
Will you be appealing?
Yes, yes. A case like this is always appealed.
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.